Holy, the hell's going on there?
Holy sh!
He didn't even brake.
No, he didn't.
Didn't even hear his brakes activate.
This older lady, she just
Oh my god! What the heck?
Oh my. Oh my.
just told them. They said that she was in. What in the is happening?
I got that.
Vehicle, now construction, I'm up on the channel.
Speed's 100. There's a red light. Traffic's line. Okay, roll over.
Vehicle, put it out, little more boy.
I think it looks like a rental truck. Speeds. Okay, roll over. Correction, you gotta put it out. Put it out.
Vehicle, put it out, little more boy.
Get your hands up! Get your hands up! Get them up! Get your hands up!